table used to make frequency tables in R. So if we have, for example, in this case, a vector A containing a lot of values from 1 to 5, and we write table A, we get this result A, and then we have the values 1, and we have the frequency. We have 1, 1, here you can see. And then we have the value 3, of which we have 2. Then we have the value 4, of which we have the frequency 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the value 5 we have 2 of. The result you get from a table is an array, so if you want to use it as a data frame, for example, you could use the function sDataFrame, and then you will get it as a data frame. So it will look like this. If you look at it as a data frame, you will get the numbers here and you will get the frequencies here, so it will be on the other way around compared to the above. So here I will give you an example of this table function. Firstly, I will read in the warfarin dataset, and then I will write table, and I would like to have a table of the gender of the patients in the warfarin dataset, the number of mutated CYP2C9 *3 alleles, and the number of VCOR-C1.A alleles. So I write like this table, and then I give this warfarin 6 the name 6, and this is only to make this a little bit more intuitive to read. You do not have to name it. And we have CYP2C9 *3, and then VCOR-C1A. Then if I run this, I get these results. Among the patients with VCOR-C1.A with 0 mutations, we have the following frequency distribution. On this axis you have the CYP2C9 *3 mutations. So here you have patients with 0 mutations, those with 1 mutation, and those with 2 mutations. And then you have the gender, female and male. Among the patients that have no mutations in VCOR-C1A and no mutations in CYP2C9 *3, 0 here, you have 156 women and 288 men. And then here you have the subjects with 1 mutation in CYP2C9 *3, and there you have 31 patients of female gender and 50 in male gender. And these patients with 2 CYP2C9 *3 mutations, you only have 1 woman and 1 man with 0 mutations in the VCOR-C1A. And then if you go down here, you have patients with 1 mutation in this allele, and then you can see the frequency distribution here as well. And in those with 2 mutations in the VCOR-C1. And this can be a little tricky to read out what you actually have if you wouldn't have given them the names.